Hello. Welcome to another video from Easy York. In this video, you'll learn how to create text around a curved path, edit and manipulate it, inside Adobe Illustrator. If this is your first time watching, kindly like, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, be part of our growing community. This will encourage us to upload more video tutorials. When done right, curved text can add emphasis to your design. Illustrator has several tools to help you achieve that. You can do all kinds of wonderful things with text in Illustrator, and that includes curving it. You can wrap words around curved shapes, like circles or custom paths. You can even make letters themselves curved, totally changing the shape of typefaces. And you can make the effect as subtle or as dramatic as you want. Better still, it can all be done in just a few clicks. Today we will focus on creating text on a curved path. Open Adobe Illustrator, then create a new document. Use A4 size and make it landscape. Everything seems to be okay. Go ahead and create the document. You'll need a curved stroke to create a curved text path. Do this, take the pen tool, then draw a curved stroke. To end the drawing, hit Escape key on the keyboard. After you've drawn the curve, take the text tool from the toolbar, hover the pen tool over the curve, you'll see the cursor change at this point. Click on the curved stroke. A placeholder text will be applied on the curved stroke and will be highlighted in black. When you type on path, Illustrator will remove the fill and stroke, leaving you to type whatever you want along the outline. At this point, type any text. In my case, I will type text on a curved surface. To select the text, or highlight, simply triple-click on the text. You'll now be able to change the text size and paragraph alignment and so on. Press Escape on the keyboard or pick the selection tool. You can also change the font style. Give it a thicker font. Using the selection tool, hover over the one in the middle, and you'll notice that the cursor changes. You can see the control brackets, the beginning of the text, middle and far end after the text. You can move them around to position your text. You can use the baseline shift to adjust text up and down on a vertical axis. Hold down Control on Windows or Command Mac OS to prevent a type from flipping to the other side of the path. To flip the direction of text along a path, drag the bracket across the path. You can use the baseline shift to adjust text up and down on a vertical axis. You can also set spacing between characters. You aren't limited to curving text along a curved path. You can also apply that type on around a circle. Just draw the circle and use the same process you have used with the curved path. If this video was helpful, kindly like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials. Tell us in the description below what we can do to improve on our video tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.